In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page width in Wix. This is a handy feature when you're looking to customize your website's appearance for the best visitor experience. Adjusting the page width can help with design flexibility, ensuring your content looks great on a variety of devices. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to our Wix dashboard. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the main screen of your website dashboard, look towards the left-hand side and find the Setup option. This is where we start making the magic happen on our site. Next, navigate to the Design Site section. You can usually find it as part of your site settings. Clicking here will take you into the design environment where you'll have a variety of customization tools at your disposal. If you're not finding it straight away, make sure to look around the interface, as the location can sometimes vary depending on updates or changes to the dashboard. Once inside the design mode, your next step is to select the specific page you want to adjust the width for. Look for the page navigation on the left-hand side or top navigation depending on your layout. Find the page in question and click on it. This will bring up that particular page for editing, ensuring any changes you make are applied exactly where you want them. You'll then need to locate the stretched option. This might be a button or menu, often within the layout or design settings of your selected page. Clicking on it is crucial because this is where you can adjust the page width settings. The term stretched here refers to how your page content can fit or expand across the screen. When you click stretched, you should be presented with two options on your screen. These will usually be settings like full width or boxed width. Each will have a visual representation so you can see how your page would look. The full width option allows your content to stretch the entire width of the visitor's screen, perfect for a modern, expansive look. The boxed width, on the other hand, keeps your content within a more narrow, centered box, which can be ideal for a clean and organized appearance. Once you've decided which option suits your design best, simply select it. Ensure you preview your changes if possible to make sure everything displays just as you imagined. And there you have it, a customized page width tailored to your vision. With these simple steps, you've taken another big leap towards perfecting your Wix site. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.